In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see everyone on Zoom for iPad. If you're joining a class, team call, or group meeting on your iPad, switching to the right view can make it much easier to see all participants at once. By default, Zoom may focus on the active speaker, but with a quick setting change, you can switch to a grid layout and view more people on screen. To get started, open the Zoom Workplace app on your iPad. Once the app is open, either join a meeting or start one of your own. After that, make sure you are fully inside the meeting screen before trying to change the layout. This is important because the viewing options only appear while you're actively in the meeting. Next, tap anywhere on the screen. This brings up the meeting controls, which may be hidden if they've faded out. If you don't see the controls right away, just tap once and they should appear. Now look to the top left corner of the screen and tap View. This is where Zoom lets you choose how meeting participants are displayed. From the View menu, select Gallery or Gallery View, depending on the version of Zoom you're using. On some iPads, the wording may vary slightly, but the option means the same thing. As soon as you choose Gallery View, Zoom will display participants in a grid format. This layout allows you to see multiple people at the same time instead of only focusing on the person currently speaking. It's especially useful in larger meetings where you want a more complete view of the group. If there are more participants than can fit on one screen, simply swipe left or right to move between pages. This lets you browse through everyone in the meeting. Keep in mind that the exact number of people visible at once can depend on your iPad model, screen orientation, and Zoom app version. So if you want to maximize how many people you can see, it can help to keep your screen positioned comfortably and clearly. If you ever want to switch back to a speaker-focused layout, tap the screen again to show the controls. Tap View in the top left corner and then choose Speaker. That will return Zoom to the mode where the active speaker is featured more prominently. And that's all it takes to see everyone on Zoom for iPad. Once you know where the view setting is, switching between layouts becomes quick and easy whenever you need it.